Hey, it's H here. On today's video we're checking out Tesla. If you haven't seen the Tesla video before that I made, check that out if you want to see the higher time frame structure. Today I'm going to create an update on this lower time frame around from the November highs that we had around $1,250 all the way to present day. Now again, if you have another coin, stock you would like me to analyze, let me know down in the comment section below. So here's one possibility. This is suggesting that we've done the correction that we needed and now we're heading higher. Whether this is the wave 3 and this is wave 4 with this triangle pattern creating a really small one here, or this is actually the third one and we're creating some sort of down pull or pull down to around the 382 retracement area around 980. They should be above here. It would indicate that we're coming to a close around here on these areas anyway, and bringing us down for wave 2 before heading higher. We can check out some areas here for wave C, and this would again indicate that this is actually the third wave, and we would be correcting down a bit lower before we head up for the fifth wave. Again, invalidation for this whole impulse wave structure is around the $900 or 888, but there's long ways to go there. I got my alert set here, so if something happens then I can look into it more and probably make another video updating it. Currently this looks really impulsive. This is either ABC as a zigzag or 1, 2, 3, 4 and creating the fifth for the first leg of A before we go head higher for the B and then C, creating some kind of this kind of structure for the wave B. Now let's check out RSI. On 1 hour we see we have a peak here. That is the reason why I had the third wave originally there, and we've been creating lower highs on RSI and higher highs on price, creating a bearish divergence between all these peaks, and this would indicate some kind of correction is on the way. We see this same thing happening on MACD, and on histogram we're currently looking like we've actually pulling up. The signal line hasn't been crossed yet, so the MACD, as you know, is a late signal, more like a confirmation of anything, if anything. On 1 hour the RSI RSI is gone above the moving average here that I have set for 10, and most likely back testing this before doing a bounce up, maybe for that B wave if that is one that it is. Now I think that was enough for this setup. Let's check out the more bearish scenario. So again, we would expect this to be some kind of correction that was done, and the bear in me has again another setup that is more bearish. This would indicate that we are just done with ABC and another ABC. This again would be fine as the ABC extension is around the 1.618, and now we would be heading lower. Now the whole structure here, let me pull actually this one here, has retraced back to these areas around 0.854, meaning that it retraced 85% from these lows here upwards in corrective manner, and creating a possibility for a flat. Now flat means that we have 3 waves on A, 3 waves on B, and 5 waves on C. And on C, I guess I just a different one. Here we go. Okay, so this one. So minor. So we would be expecting 5 waves down here. This would most likely bring us around the 1-to-1 area. The minimum target would be around $800, which would present another good place to possibly look into buys. However, I think we could come down here to the 1-to-1 extension, which is the more likely scenario if we are heading down here. Remember, on the bullish scenario, this would, let me show you again. Let me actually pull this back to bear folder. This line here would only be invalidated if this is actually the third wave, or we think it is third wave and creating the fourth. Now, saying that this is fifth and we come down below this line doesn't mean that this is not a impulse wave. The whole impulse wave only gets broken basically at here, unfortunately. So there's long ways off. The wave 2 here is another possible place to look for any higher targets from here on out. We definitely have some kind of resistances all around this place. We got major resistance here around the 950s and another one here 880. Yeah, I think those are the levels and options that I see currently for Tesla. Again, let me know down in the comments what you thought of this and if you see another scenario present. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.